Hello students, today we are going to start the exercise 2.4 division method. Before division we should understand what do you mean by reciprocal of fraction. All of you know what do you mean by fraction, proper fraction, mixed fraction, improper fraction. Yes, we have already learned that in last session. Now we will just highlight something about reciprocal of fraction. What do you mean by reciprocal of fraction? The reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of a proper fraction is a new fraction in which place of numerator and denominator are interchanged. Here the numerator and denominator place are interchanged. Okay, I will explain you with one example. Example we will take, say 5 by 7. Okay, so 5 by 7 where 5 is a numerator and 7 is a denominator, and this is a proper fraction. Why it is a proper fraction? Because numerator is smaller than denominator, so we call it as a proper fraction. Right, now we have to reciprocal it. Reciprocal it means multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse, that means interchange of numerator and denominator. Numerator will go at denominator and denominator will go to the numerator place, that is 7 by 5, and this is called as reciprocal of a fraction. Clear? Second example we will take, say 4 by 7. Okay, now this is a mixed fraction. Because why we call it as a mixed fraction? 3 is a whole number, 4 by 7 is a fraction. Together we call it as a mixed fraction. Now to make it reciprocal, first we have to convert it into improper fraction. How we have to convert it into improper fraction? 3 into 7 plus 4 upon 7. Yes, all of you know 3 sevens are 21 plus 4 upon 7, that is equals to 25 by 7. All of you know how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, right? Why it is improper? Now numerator is bigger than denominator, but we can't write we can't make a reciprocal of mixed fraction. First we have to make it improper and then reciprocal it. For reciprocal, what we do? We just interchange numerator to denominator. Denominator will go to numerator and numerator will come to denominator, and this is a reciprocal. 4 by 7 we can't directly change, we have to convert it into improper and then into reciprocal it. Okay, so on this basis we are going to start the exercise 2.4. okay, so before that start the division, we will just understand the case. So there are two cases. First case which we are going to discuss now is division of a whole number by fraction. Division of a whole number by fraction. Whole number. To divide the whole number of a fraction, multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. Now we will discuss this first. To divide a whole number, the fraction, multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. Is it clear? We will discuss by one example, exercise 2.4. Question 1, we are going to solve each sum. First sum is 12 divided by 3 by 4. Okay, 12 is a whole number and 3 by 4 is a fraction. Our first case is division of a whole number by fraction. What is our first case? Division of a whole number by a fraction. So how we will solve? We will keep 12 as it is. Okay, we have to remove this division sign. Instead of this division sign, we have to put multiplication. Then second is that we have to reciprocal it. So reciprocal will become 4 by 3. Is it clear, all of you? Because we have written that whole number by a fraction, multiply the whole number by reciprocal of the fraction. We have to multiply the whole number and reciprocal the fraction. All of you know there's 3 ones are 3 fours are and 4 fours are 16, and this is our answer. Clear? So this was a first sum. Let's solve the second sum. Second sum is 14 divided by 5 by 6. Okay, second sum is 14 divided by 5 by 6. So 14 is a whole number. We have to remove the division sign, put the multiplication, reciprocal the given number, so it will become 6 by 5. Now here is note, it is not any of the factor of 5 nor it is cut by 6. So we can't cut it, we have to write directly multiply. 14 6 are 84 upon 5. But can you see it is an improper fraction? 84, it is numerator is bigger than the denominator. It is improper fraction. So we have to convert improper fraction into mixed. All of you know how to convert it? Should I show you the division? 84 divided by 5. 1s are 34, 6s are 34 is the remainder. So how we will write it? As 16 4 by 5. Okay, so this is a second sum answer. Is it clear? Third sum we will see now. 8 divided by 7 by 3. Okay, again 8 is a whole number, 7 by 3 is a fraction. 8, we will remove the division sign, put the multiplication, then reciprocal the number fraction. Again no number is cut, so we will directly multiply. 8 3s are 24 upon 7. Okay, we will convert it into mixed form. All of you know the conversion. 24 divided by 7, 3s are 21, 3 is the remainder. So how we will write it? As 3 by 7. Clear all of you? 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 3, 24 by 7. This was the third sum. Now we will go for fourth sum. Fourth sum is 4 divided by 8 by 3. Okay, again 4 is a whole number, 8 by 3 is a fraction. We will keep first as it is. Second, we will remove the division sign, put the multiplication sign. Third step, reciprocal the fraction. So it will become 3 by 8. Correct? Now it is a factor. 1s are 2s are. 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. Now it is not cut, so answer is 3 by 2. Again it is an improper fraction. We have to convert it into mixed form. That is 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 by 2. Clear? Let's take the fifth sum. 3 divided by 2, 1 by 3. Okay, now 3 is a whole number, 2, 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction. First we have to convert mixed fraction into improper. So 3 divided by 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. Now 3, we will remove the division sign, put the multiplication, reciprocal the fraction, so it will become 3 by 7. Now no one is a factor, so 3 3s are 9 upon 7. Again it is an improper fraction, so we will convert it into proper mixed fraction, that is 1 by 7. 7 1s are 7, and 2. Okay, 7 1s are 7, 8 9. Clear all of you? Should I show the division? Okay, we will go for question number 6 now. Question number 6 is 5 divided by 3, 4 by 7. Okay, 5 is whole number, 3 4 by 7 is mixed fraction. Whenever there is a mixed fraction, first step is that we have to convert it into improper fraction. 5 divided by 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 4 is 25 by 7. Yes. Now 5, we will remove the division sign, put the multiplication, 7 upon 25. 5 1s are 5 5s are. So answer is 7 by 5. Again it is an improper fraction, so we will convert it. So 1 2 by 5. 5 1s are 5, 6 and 7. So answer is 7 by 5. And this is exercise 2.4 question 1. Okay.